Hi, this is Mark and I'm Eva. We're here on our beautiful Crystal Serenity ship, and we're going to take you to our penthouse suite. We don't always travel in such luxury, but we are this time, and we're going in the front door, and we're first going to take you to the bathroom and the vanity area and the robes. Get ready for those. And beautiful marble bathroom with 2 sinks, just like we like it at home, so we don't have to fight over the sinks. And the shower. And also there's a jacuzzi tub. Very nice. Some people love the jacuzzi tub. Some people love the shower. And of course, you can use both. Here's the lit vanity area, very pretty, very nice. Okay, walk-in closet. Again, we saw the robes. And now let's go in. Oh my God, beautiful. Okay, here's our sitting area with the couch. Okay, and a writing desk with the coffee maker, and there's champagne waiting for us, and we had champagne as we came in. Okay, storage area. You can't enjoy the full beauty of the room because they already put our luggage out. That's how wonderful and quick it is, but really, really pretty. Very nice. And of course, more champagne waiting for us. How'd they know I love champagne? And then we've got a balcony, so let's go take a look at that. And it's a full step-out balcony. Again, another shot of the bed. Love it. And let's see, how am I going to get out on the balcony? I'm going to get out of the balcony this way. Oh, what a gorgeous view of the port of Puerto Rico. I got to show you this. We're going to go out and take some pictures of that. Okay. And then here, thank you, Mark's going to help me open the doors. Thank you, Mark. We should have tested it before we said we're going to open it. Here's the beautiful sitting area. So nice. All right, we might have to get the cabin steward to help us. Oh, there we go. We got the 2 seats right here. And take a look at that gorgeous view of the port of Puerto Rico. I'm going to give you a hand shot. We've got a few other ships here. I think a total of 4 ships altogether today. And we heard from our cab driver that they're going to be adding a lot more ships in Puerto Rico, and that's fantastic. This is all great news. If you love cruising, you'll love this. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you all over the U.S. and the world. In this case, to enjoy beautiful luxury, the personal luxury. That's. Oh, open the door, please. Gonna shoot the room one more time.